Dear student, welcome to official YouTube channel of ASSMS IOIT. I, Mrs. H.B.Magar, will help you to solve some numerical based on frequency modulation. So the question is, an FM wave is given by S of t is equal to 20 cos 8 pi into 10 raised to 6t plus 9 sin 2 pi 10 raised to 3t. Then calculate frequency deviation, bandwidth and power of FM wave. So in this equation they have given us FM wave and we have to calculate frequency deviation, bandwidth and power of FM wave. So first of all, write down the given equation. S of t is equal to 20 cos 8 pi 10 raised to 6t plus 9 sin 2 pi 10 raised to 3t. Okay. So write down the standard equation of FM wave as S of t is equal to Vc cos 2 pi Fct plus beta sin 2 pi Fmt. Now compare these two equations. So we are getting value Vc, the amplitude of carrier wave, which is equal to 20 volt. Then the frequency of carrier signal, that is Fc. Okay, so by comparing this two signal, if we say it as a 2 pi, then it will be, here it is given 8 pi. So it will be Fc is equal to 4 into 10 raised to 6, that is 4 megahertz. Then frequency of message signal, that is FM. So it is given as 10 raised to 3, which is nothing but 1 kilohertz. Okay, and here this 9 is nothing but, compare with this standard equation, 9 is nothing but the beta. So modulation index beta is equal to 9. Okay, so from this standard equation we have find out these values. The amplitude of carrier signal Vc equal to 20 volt, the frequency of carrier signal 4 megahertz, then frequency of message signal 1 kilohertz and modulation index 9. So these are the given values. Now first of all we have to find out this frequency deviation. Here the value of modulation index is greater than 1. We are getting beta is equal to 9. So as it is greater than 1, it is nothing but your wideband FM. Less than 1, we called it as a narrowband FM. Now the formula for modulation index beta is equal to del F upon FM. Now we have FM. From the given value we have FM. If we rearrange it for del F, then frequency deviation del F is equal to beta into FM. So multiply this beta by FM, so we are getting value of del F. Beta is equal to 9 and FM is equal to 1K. So we are getting del F as a 9 kilohertz. So we got our frequency deviation as a 9 kilohertz. Then the formula for bandwidth of wideband FM, it is given as 2 into beta plus 1 into FM. Now we have all these values, we have beta, we have FM. So just put all these values. So we are getting 2 in bracket 9 plus 1, beta is equal to 9, 9 plus 1 into FM. FM is 1K. So we are getting 9 plus 1, this 10 into this 2, that is 20 kilohertz. So we are getting wideband FM bandwidth as 20 kilohertz for this equation. The next we have to calculate power of this modulated signal. So it is nothing but Vc square upon 2R. Again R it is not given, so we can assume it as a 1 ohm. By putting this value, P is equal to, we are getting this 20 square upon 2, we are getting 200 watt. So the power of this FM wave is 200 watt. So they have asked us three value. The frequency deviation, we are getting frequency deviation as a 9 kilohertz. They have asked about bandwidth. Bandwidth is 20 kilohertz. And lastly, power of this FM signal, which is coming as a 200 watt. So we have find out all three values. So whenever the FM equation is given, compare it with the standard equation. By comparing it with the standard equation, we are getting this VC beta, value of carrier frequency of carrier signal and the frequency of modulating signal. Once we got all this value, we can use this different formula and find out the given values. Thank you.